7 in 10 people think cooking for their partner is more intimate than making love. Okay, I mean, I like food, but that in a report at Study Finds, where we invite you to like and subscribe for the latest information. So, 7 in 10 Americans polled in a new survey agree that whipping something up for their partner in the kitchen is actually more intimate than having biblical relations. The study asked 2,000 Americans in a relationship how cooking plays into their relationships and found that 79% believe good food is the most surefire way to someone's heart. In fact, 43% have ended a relationship in their past if their partner was a bad cook. I can see that happening. 3/4 of those polled are more likely to go on a date with someone they know can cook. In fact, in addition to being kind and having a good sense of humor, like me, respondents consider the ability to cook one of the most attractive traits a potential partner can have. Wait, aren't those the descriptions of a blind date when someone thinks, okay, I really need to sell this? Oh, yeah, but they can cook really, really good. 65% feel that if the meal on a date is bad, the date will be bad too, whereas 72% believe the outcome will be better if the food hits the mark. But look out, you mean open-mouth chewers. 56% say if their date is rude to the staff and chews with their mouth open, at 52%, they may not be calling them for a second date at all. And for the love of all things holy, do not take food off my plate. 47% agree with me on that one. The dinner plate is a sacred trust. About 27% are also turned off when their date doesn't tip well or has one too many cocktails. So basically, don't be a tool. And food is the key to success with the ladies. I could have told you that. 81% say the relationship is serious when you start cooking for your partner. 73% agree certain foods are more romantic when cooked at home, with chocolate and strawberries topping the list of sexiest foods, if you know what I mean. Find more detail on this and other studies at studyfinds.com.